Yo, what's up, man? This your boy Rebuke All Devils coming back at you, man. And man, check this out, courtesy of CBSN, right? Man, we got this crazy Karen that has a meltdown at the park, and she started blasting the heat in the water. Peep game. Oh, LAPD releases body cam footage of standoff shootout with woman at MacArthur Park in LA. I've been there.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun!
This is just some of the video from a nearly 3-hour-long standoff. Police officers responded to reports of a woman firing shots into the water at MacArthur Park.
Armed with a .45 caliber handgun shooting at the birds. Suspect is walking southbound in the middle of the park near the lake.
Now we're blurring the next parts of this video. Officers say 43-year-old Michelle Renee Laricha eventually pointed a gun at them, forcing them to fire several shots at her. Video shows her falling to the ground, then getting back up and walking back and forth on the sidewalk as officers yell at her to get away from the gun. She was eventually arrested and taken to the hospital. Now she's being held on $600,000 bail in jail and is scheduled to make her next court appearance June 11th. There is a use of force investigation into this shooting as well. Katie Johnston for CBSN, Los Angeles.
Man, did you see that? I'm talking about Karen that went so dang on cuckoo. She's having a shootout with the police in a bikini. Come on, man. How you gonna have a shootout with the police in your thong, Karen? Damn, man. Look at that. You in beautiful LA. It's a beautiful day. Nice and sunny outside. You know what I'm saying? You should be out there sunbathing, you know, doing whatever. But yet and still, you want to be blasting at the birds in the water. That's trying to have a nice day at the park like you. I tell you, YouTube, you cannot make some of these stories up, man. I'm telling you. And it looked like she got blasted in her Sunday's best. I'm glad, you know, none of the officers was hurt. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad she survived, you know. She lived to tell the story. That's what they say. Somebody got to be around to tell the story. So she lived to tell the story. So hopefully in the near future, you know, we might be able to get her version if she can make that $600,000 bail. But until then, it's your boy Rebuke All Devils, man, saying stay safe. Watch out for them crazy Karens when you at the park or the beach or the marinas, man. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to drop your comments down below. And I'll catch y'all on the next video for sure. Shalom.